Hi everyone, how are you? We're here with our colleagues from Uruguay. And so I would like them to introduce themselves and tell us why they're here and what they're doing here at Delaware Law School. So welcome.
Well, my name is Sebastián Plaza, and we come from the University of Montevideo to study here at Delaware, corporate law and money laundering.
Yes, my name is Ricardo de Vita Scholderle, also as Matias. We've been here for a month. It was a wonderful experience, and I also was part of the money laundering and advanced concept in corporate law.
That's wonderful. And I'm Alicia Kelly. I'm the interim dean of law school, and we're so delighted to have you here. I'm so happy to hear you're having a good experience. I wanted to hear if you could talk about what the degree here is going to do in terms of supporting your career development when you go back.
Well, I think that Delaware is a unique place. It's very important in corporate matters and in terms of complying with money laundering. And being able to come here, studying with great professors of the university, and having this experience is very rich for us back in our countries to have this perspective.
Yeah, and also study another legal systems, like money laundering. We also talk about not only the American system, but our systems in Europe. That was like a great experience, because then when surely we'll become lawyers, that will be like a lot of knowledge for practice. So I'm very happy to, did that.
That's wonderful. I hope you had some fun too.
Of course.
Yeah.
Anything you want to tell the friends back home who are going to be here next after you?
That is a wonderful experience, not only for the quality of professors and the infrastructure, but also for international students that come from all around the world, making it a really special place to interact with people from other cultures and to discuss law and to have fun.
Yeah, I recommend this program to our Uruguayan classmates, because it was a wonderful experience. We learned a lot. We met wonderful people, wonderful professors. So thank you so much to the Delaware Law School.
And all the people from the university too, has been so kind to us in helping us.
Yeah, that's true.
Get ready and everything.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for being here. Thank you.